Take a good look at those wallet stats. They're next level. If big returns are your goal, stay close, because I'm about to explain the method that got me there. I struggled for months in the meme coin space until I ran into this overpowered blueprint. And you know what the real game changer is? It's launching meme coins instead of investing in them, like throwing money into some garbage coin that just rugged. When you become your own boss by launching meme coins, you're almost 80% guaranteed to make anywhere from $100 to $700 within 1 to 2 hours. But anyway, folks, let me show you exactly how to make that happen. Simply head to Photon, flip the filter to Pump Fund Dex, and watch the madness unfold. Meme coins are getting released back to back. Most of them are total junk, and they disappear within moments. That's what happens when anyone can spin up a token instantly. Trust me, don't try your luck here. It's not worth the grind. Once you filter for radium, you'll notice right away. Very few new tokens are dropping. Just a handful have gone live recently. Compare that to Pump Fund, and you'll see the massive difference. Demand here is way stronger. Check those market caps. They're way ahead. The reason? Radium makes you work for it. You need real dev knowledge, which keeps out low-effort spam. That's why we're sticking with it. Let me guide you through the process. Ran into Launch Tool by accident, and man, it's an absolute game changer. This thing is unreal. Zero coding skills needed, which means literally anyone can drop a coin on Radium. You just press a few buttons and boom, it's live. It's been a steady moneymaker for me ever since I started using it. Already picked out a nice image from Google for this project. Went with a trending meme again. Those always bring attention fast. I'd definitely suggest using a meme or something viral because it makes people buy without hesitation. It's the formula that's worked best for me. Open Canva, start a new design, change the dimensions to 128 by 128, tweak anything if needed, and hit save. Clean and simple, perfect setup. Fire up Launch Tool and start entering the details for your token. Also, don't forget about the description. It's not required, but trust me, it definitely makes your coin more appealing to investors. Once that's done, upload the professional logo you made in Canva and hit next. Then just follow the remaining steps to launch your token. Now here's a very important part. Make sure to click the button that says Create Liquidity Pool. This is essential because without liquidity, buyers won't be able to purchase your token. Simply launching a token isn't enough. That button will take you straight to Radium's Liquidity Pool section, where you'll set it all up. Start by confirming your wallet is active, that you can check right here where it's my mouse cursor. Then choose your meme coin as the base token. Tap the drop-down list, copy your token's address from Launch Tool, and paste it into the box below the Select the Token label. After that, input your token info. I'm going with CDOGE for the symbol and Captain Doge for the token name. Hit Add User Token and click your coin again to finalize the selection. Fill in 900 million as the token supply. That's the go-to number from your full 1 billion, since that is regular for meme coins and you can't make a mistake. Choose SOL for the quote token. You're the very first buyer, so pressing max is completely fine. Just make sure to keep 0.2 Solana aside to cover Radium's yellow labeled fee. Pick 2% for the fee tier. After double checking everything, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction as usual. And that's it. Your token can now be traded. Open Photon and you'll already see your coin in the system. We're done with that part. Time to analyze your chart. Head over to dexscreener.com and select any token to trigger the page to load. Wait until the interface is fully ready. Then swing back to Launch Tool, copy your token's contract, and paste it into DexScreener, replacing whatever's in there. Press Enter. Boom, chart is up. Early movement? Yeah, that's probably just bots making the rounds. No need to panic. Let's be patient and see when real orders start coming in. Keep checking your Radium portfolio during the wait. It should show up soon. Double check that you're in standard view. Your holdings should appear below shortly. It may need a couple minutes to refresh. And look at that. Our first buy just came in after a short delay, and honestly, it's looking very good. This one's priced at $27, around 0.17 Sol. I'm not rushing. Want to observe how the next few trades go. You'll also see a few sells popping in here and there, but it's nothing to stress over. That's actually how it has to be. Great. 0.29 Solana came through as our second buy, which is roughly $46. Peep the stats down here. $598 in liquidity and $452 market cap already. And a quick look at the chart. Incredible. It's grown by 85% since we paired this coin. Not bad for a start, and I've got a good feeling about what's next. The craziest part? You don't have to market this at all. This exact play can be run again and again with the same setup. Told you, it works. And look at that. Another one just landed. Third order hit the books. In USD, it's worth $28, and in Solana, it's basically 0.18 Sol. With sell pressure mounting, that's my signal to rug the coin. Just so you know, this entire walkthrough is for learning purposes only, and results can totally vary. This is amazing. We got our fourth order, and I was literally just about to take profits from this coin. I guess I was lucky. Let's break down the value real quick. $70, which is very close to 0.45 Solana. Right before I go for it, let's take a final check on the stats. Liquidity is currently at $795, and funnily enough, the market cap is showing the exact same number after just 2 hours and 10 minutes. I'm completely cool with that, so it's time to take profits. Get on Radium, hook up your wallet, and flip the view to standard. Go ahead and press the minus symbol. Push the slider all the way to full. You're only concerned with the SOL amount. That's your actual profit. Click on Remove Liquidity, approve the prompt, and there it is. The confirmation message appears. That tells you the money's in. This part never gets old. Open Phantom and admire the outcome. From a $280 start, I ended up with $405. Quick heads up, I'm not sponsored by or tied to Launchtool, Photon, or Radium in any way. This content is purely educational. The method is working right now, but it might not last forever. If you're thinking of jumping in, better to do it soon.